Hello, I'm Aaron Chao and I created this Google HTML search page with my own styles using HTML and CSS on code.org. The reason why I use code.org is because I wanted the web page to update automatically as I edited the code. But once I finished it, I've transferred it to my files and uploaded as separate files up to GitHub. I've created 3 pages on my Google HTML search page. The first one is index, which is the main Google search page. The second one is images, and the last one is advanced. On the top right corner of each page, I included hyperlinks that navigate to the 2 other pages. My own modified Google logo shows in large colorful letters in each of my pages, as you can see as I navigate. In the query text of the main search page, I type in a search term, hands in the water. Then I go to Google search, and it shows right up. Then go to the image search and type large bags, and it shows the images. And now go to the advanced search. I'll include all of Internet Database Programming Protocol. Exact match is computer science. And include any of the words Python, JavaScript, HTML. Exclude the word binary. Include numbers ranging from 1 to 100. And then I hit advanced search. All of that pops up. And now going back to the main page and type in hello. And then click I'm feeling lucky. And it shows right there as well. The appearance of the pages is structured in a similar way, but the aesthetics are actually in a different style, in a more creative style than Google is. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.